Make some noise.
Oh, shit.
Did you get that? Tell me you got that.
No.
Oh.
It happened just off the side.
Yeah.
Did he get you?
Yeah, he actually got me on the finger. You missed it.
Oh.
I didn't think his reach was going to get me.
Mate, you feel like quick too. Eh?
Yeah, because I went like this to his face.
Okay, do it again.
Get a
for the team, man.
No,
Get a longer
no,
one.
He got me good, but he didn't get me good enough.
Snap off a longer one, like way at the bottom of the fence.
He's deceiving because his neck doesn't look like it's going to reach that long, but he does. He doesn't want that. He wants my hand.
You gotta leave it there, man.
Just leave it there.
It's not gonna get your hand. You come in and start getting your arm.
Ooh.
See, he wants me.
He wants to take me.
Driving him crazy.
Right, he's still gonna attack them.
He's looking at. He's trying to devise plans how to get me.
As soon as I turn it off.
Just stick your hand there, man.
He'll probably skip my hand in a minute and just launch at my face.
Pat its head, man. Pat its head.
Robert's little orange haircut.
You're not quick enough. You're not able to pull it.
What do you mean not quick enough? He got me before.
No, I'm saying you're not quick enough.
What, pull away?
Pull away. If he wants to get you, he'll get you.
Alright, I'm done with that one.